I got my Beater Ranger back, and looks like he left the hub off for one thing. Look at that, there's a hub missing off of there. Let's see. Let's see what else we got here. Also, look at my shifter. Yeah, he left the shifter knob off, and this was behind the seat. Yeah, the shifter knob was off, and all this stuff is off like this. Then, also, as you can see, the check engine light is on now. See, this is the reason I don't like taking my car to a dealership or anywhere else to get fixed. This is what you get, man. Sucks. So I gotta put this shifter back on, and I gotta put this back on. And it looks like the piece is cracked right here that he took that off of. That bell housing is cracked, but that's, old, so it probably would have happened. But yeah, so now I got a check engine light on, and the shifter knob I got to put on, and this is off. So all those are gonna get fixed before I pay anything. Yeah, man, that's the reason I don't like taking my car to the thing. So let's see if it goes into gear. Let's see what we got here. I'm not gonna do a full test of this thing yet, but we're gonna put the clutch in and see if it goes into gear. There's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse. Wow, it's going into gear nicely. Still got to wear in the clutch, but yeah, there's first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And reverse. So, looks like the clutch was maybe installed properly. We still need to wear in and go for a test drive. I'll do that later. But look, he left all this stuff off. Like I said once before, the knob is off. Like it's been ripped off. The inner parts is busted. I probably had to glue that back on, and this is off. Found this behind the back seat. So that's what we got going on. It did start up, luckily, but now there's the freaking check engine light on, as you can see. So there's got to be some type of connector that is disconnected or something on this thing. So that's what you get when you take your car and get service, man. Don't let people get away with that. They're gonna fix that, or they're taking the price off it. In a week, last Saturday I think, and here we are. Oh, frozen. All right, here we are. We got I think you fixed the engine. Got the engine light on. I think you fixed that. Got the handle back on, which is awesome. Got this back on like I told him. Now let's see if the engine repair light is off. Pull the clutch in. There we go. Just see. There's first gear, second gear, third, fourth, and fifth. All right, there she is. All right, let's start her up. Start right up, and the engine light is off. Cool. That's what I wanted. Now we gotta get some gas. I'm like on E or something. Turn the light on. Yep, gas is on E. No engine warning lights on at the moment. Take the brake off. I don't think the brake is on. Cool. So I do have the parts that he took out, and I'm going to show you what was wrong with it. And we're going to see, do a little inspection to see what we got here. I like to see what the cause of the failure was. He wouldn't give me these parts. I had to go take them from by his toolbox because he wasn't there. I'm going to keep it myself. This is a clutch slave that I showed you earlier. This is the one that was inside the truck, and as you can see, this is like the OE. Let's see what this says on here. It says, yeah, what that name is right there. But yeah, this is it, all right. I don't see too much damage on it, unless it's internal. It's pretty good. The edges are worn. So yeah, that doesn't look too bad. The clutch slave. So unless it was a passage inside of it that was clogged, that rendered it inoperable, or there's some other issue. Alright, now let's see the clutch he took out. Here's the clutch. And as you can see, there is a wear on it. On the other side. Yeah. Wear, but it's not warped. I don't see any warpage. Let's see what we got here. Nope, doesn't look warped at all. Now let's look at the spline. This part looks pretty good. The other side. Ah, there. Look at that. Boom. Look at that spline. I see it's damaged. So it wasn't engaging because there's a damage to the spline. The only way I could think of this happening is that it was loose. The bolts were loose. So that would cause it to misalign. That had to be it right there, you can see. Right there. See, like I said, how about this thing? I don't know who worked on it before me, but that definitely must have been the cause of it not being able to go in reverse and not being able to engage. It's ripped up. You can see still shavings right in it. Oh, let's take a look at and the old cover. So he replaced the whole. He must have bought a new clutch plate. He had to have. Because here it is right here. Huh. I'm about to ask him about that. He didn't ever charge me for anything else. He looked like he did replace it. But unless there was one already on here. There's all it does is come with a cover. And it must have been a new plate in here. I'm gonna ask him about that. See it. This is designed for use where engine RPMs do not exceed manufacturer vehicle specifications. Clutch cover plates are critical. Clutch cover and pressure plates are critical components. So, handle with care, remove excessive greasing, clean surface, tight bolts, diagonally, ensure proper alignment. So yeah, it must have been a new plate in there too. That I didn't know about. So yeah, that's it. So that was the damage. It looked like also while he was doing it, I think he sandwiched the oxygen sensor cable in between the clutch cover and the transmission cover. So he had to take that out and take that out. Take that out and loosen it and remove these, as you can see, remove these wires because they were sandwiched in between the transmission and the housing. That's why the engine check light was on when I got it. So he had to do that. So he charged me less for doing that. So he charged me $360. So good, it's over. Either way it go, the thing had to be taken out, and those parts were replaced. So check the clutch fluid here, because I had a suspicion that there was going to be an issue. Like if he didn't bleed it, or he forgot to bleed it, it could be air in the system, so that would mean this would be low. So I took the cap off, as you can see. Let me see if I can turn my flash on so I can get a better view. One second. I can do it without a funnel. There you go, baby. As you can see, the shift gear is not vibrating or moving erratically, so that's good. That's a good sign right there.